Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OnePlus N6 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pattern, please try again. You can see incorrect pattern. Please try again, as you can see. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together. Just press and hold it, do not release. And when the OnePlus logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume down button. And after a few seconds, release it. So you can see, now here select language. You can also use the touch feature, and here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here select language, and you can say it will send you in recovery. In recovery we have a format data and reboot device. So here tap on format data. So guys, you can see, please enter verification code. It is 2462. Enter it, 2462. So you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Now simply tap on format. Wiping, please wait. And you can see data is successfully formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OnePlus N6 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.